I had a leak in my roof, and I called up Guardian. They'd sent over a representative to kind of look at what I had and to give me an estimate. And they were right on time, super courteous and professional. And the thing that was great is when I came back down on the ground from the roof, he had all sorts of pictures of what was really up there because my roof is a second story, and he showed me the roof leak area, the missing shingles, and the moss that had accumulated on my roof. Time was scheduled, and on that day, the roofing specialist showed up right on time and was super friendly and professional, and got to work right away. He did the roof repair, and then did an amazing job cleaning my roof. My roof hadn't been cleaned in a few years, and I was home at the time, and he was working really hard to do a thorough job. And then it washed a lot of debris off the roof, and he did a great job of cleaning up the grounds around my property. And I highly recommend Guardian Roofing for anybody else that needs a roof repair or roof cleaning. They do super work.